Hospitalizations and COVID cases continue to climb because of the highly contagious Omicron variant. Indian River County in particular has seen a surge and a triple-digit increase in the past week alone. WPTV News Channel 5's Ryan Hughes went to Vero Beach and has a closer look at the numbers.
One by one, cars trickling into the Indian River County Fairgrounds waiting in line for a COVID test as the Omicron variant continues to fuel a surge in new cases.
It's a lot easier than it was.
Kim and Richie Tucker scheduled an appointment Thursday afternoon for a PCR test after they started to feel sick.
We have sore throats, headaches.
Hundreds of people are now being tested here daily since the site recently moved to the fairgrounds to accommodate increased demand.
It can be stressful with the increased number of patients.
According to the CDC COVID data tracker, over the past 7 days, as of January 13th, Indian River County has seen 1,404 COVID cases. That is a 113% increase in cases in the last 7 days. Dr. Charles Mackett is the chief of staff at Cleveland Clinic Indian River Hospital.
We're feeling that here in the hospital. Fortunately, the number of patients who are hospitalized has not climbed at that same rate or to that same number.
Data from the CDC also shows the percent positivity rate in Indian River County is 34% for the last 7 days. Experts predict Omicron will peak soon in Florida, and then we will start to see a decline in cases.
We're hoping that they drop off and that it goes away, and that's, people's just got to learn to live with it.
Cleveland Clinic Indian River Hospital is also seeing an increase of patients in the emergency room wanting to get tested. Doctors are strongly encouraging anyone, especially if you are asymptomatic, to schedule an appointment at a testing site instead and save space in the ER for true emergencies. In Vero Beach, Ryan Hughes, WPTV, News Channel 5.
We want to focus with you on a closer look at the surge happening in hospitals. In the data from the CDC's COVID tracker, we found new hospital admissions up 85% in the last 7 days in Indian River County. And among the 5 Cleveland Clinic hospitals in the Florida region, there were 93 COVID patients hospitalized on December 30th. Just yesterday, 233 people were admitted with COVID-19. Those hospitals are in Martin, St. Lucie, Indian River, and Broward counties.